polytechnic in a village in India. This has been adopted by Bill Clinton. As president, he visited there.
They sent me to Metropolitan Community College, USA, Omaha, to do a basic learning program as to what kind of courses are running there. And I took that as a role model and tried to recreate the America back home here so that the students would get international standard education equivalent to anywhere in the world. And that was a Bob teaching style of technique which we've done, which is bridging. You know, there's a typical technique which we work by in every class, in every department, and the entire staff follows that. So that is the base of the philosophy of education out here. The minimum qualification is designed to be a high school and then or class 12. And after that is even a graduate. The age is minimum 16 years. We place the girls as per the demand. So we send them to Delhi or even up to Ludhiana in Punjab. Neighboring states are also hiring girls. So one situation is that, and the other is we are the teachers and we stay in touch with them. Percentage ratio of 75% girls who are employed, successfully employed, and we are having a data bank of that to support it.
I'm very glad to be here. The institution is giving us very nice environment and teachers are very good and they are providing every facilities to us.
Education situation is reasonably okay, I would say, because government schools are available, private schools are available. If I can afford it, I would rather send my child to a private school because there the stress would be more on education, quality, extracurricular activity and maybe value for the fees I give. Government schools are very economical, you hardly pay much of a fees, but not so much of concentration on quality, though they do their good job. There are people coming out very successfully from there also, but there are facilities available if you want to study.
All politician depends on religion.
But Indians are not fanatic, because our philosophy, our civilization goes back more than 5,000 years. The major religion in India is Hinduism. Hinduism is all-inclusive. It embraces and assimilates the best of everything. And India is where action is, isn't it? The only barrier is the language barrier, of course.
सही दिशा में लाएं, सबको उपदेश, सबको धर्म की शिक्षा और उनको वेद हैं, उपनिषद हैं और उनको सबको पढ़ाना लिखाना और सबको उसमें और इन सब चीज़ों में उनको करना और अपने हिंदू सनातन धर्म की जगह जगह प्रचार करना और
For promoting of the Hindu religion or the Sanatan Dharma, these disciples have been told to travel all over the country and spread the message to all the Hindus to be able to work for their religion and dedicate themselves to the society for the upliftment of mankind.
Hindus, they make sport Hindus and Muslim make sport Muslim. In religion problem, you are Muslim, you support to Muslim. I am Hindu, I support to Hindu. If I am educated Muslim and you are educated Hindu, then we can discuss and we can help to each other. But I am illiterate. My father will tell me, don't touch him, it's very bad. Because they don't have education knowledge. Just my father tell me, I get education, this is my education. My father tell me, it's not good, then it's not good. If I will read in newspaper, I will study in school, so many students there, then I will learn something. No, yaar, we are just as a human being. There is no light, there is so many problems in my home. And actual main problem is Kashmir problem, militants problem. Militants means Atangwadi. Pakistan and India problem, Kashmir problem. And this is main problem and always there is fighting between military and Pakistan soldiers. I want to change my house in city. There is police force protection and everything.